What up, you guys? Today it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be I'm gonna do it half of it today and half of it tomorrow. I'm getting my rear struts put on today, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna show you right now. I got already the car lifted up, as you can see. Got the wheel off, got my struts and lowering springs ready. Down here, I'm gonna have to take the sway bar off to take off the spring, and then I can take the shock off and then replace both. So right now, I'm just taking this 14mm off. I'm gonna have to push this up with the jack and then go from there. Okay, so I did unhook the sway bar, found out that these bushings are pretty much toast, so I'm gonna need new bushings or just buy the Cork Sport sway bar, which I'll probably end up doing eventually, not now, but yeah. So I got that unhooked. Now I have to get the strut unhooked, but I'm gonna put the lift, get some pressure so the spring doesn't just bounce out or whatever, or just I don't get hurt. So pretty much, let's get the jack underneath it. Okay, here's a little update. I had to take off the sway bar from both sides, and now I'm gonna try and lower it and see if the whole spring just comes out. Hopefully it does, but I honestly doubt it. I don't know, we'll see. And as you can see, took the spring off, but pretty much what went wrong was this was stuck right here. It wouldn't break loose, so with the lift I put it right in the corner and just lifted it all the way up, and it broke loose, but you know, spring just blasted out and probably could have killed me if it wanted to. So that side, I know what I'm doing on this side, instead of just kind of winging it, getting this shit broken loose. But yeah, now time to put the new springs, take this thing off, the new springs, take off the old strut, put the old strut on, and go from there. Essentially, you have to take off the sway bar, take off this 14mm bolt, take off the 14mm bolt on the strut, and then there's two bolts up here connecting the strut to the frame. I'm guessing they're 12s, and so yeah, let's take that old strut out. Okay, so I finally took off the strut. These came with these from like the old Mazda, but they're not like OEM bolts or anything like these are, as you can see, so I might just use these instead. But I do have a question. These are a lot more stiffer than the Koni yellows, so I'm guessing because these are used, so I'm guessing these are like not blown, but I can compress them easier than whatever these are. I don't know if that should be doing that or not, but if you guys can give me some answers, that'd be great. Otherwise, I'm just gonna replace this top with this one and then put everything back together. So I got the yellows on. Now for the springs. I honestly don't know how low I should put them, but probably put them right here and go from there, honestly. Just kind of adjust. This is going to be the sucky part, pretty much. But yeah, let's get the other part off and go from there. Okay, where on top of where the sit springs, you're going to take the 17mm bolts, like this one. You're going to take this one off. From up there, you're gonna take that one off, and then with this you'll have another one up here, so you just tighten it up there, and then you're gonna use this and loosen it, tighten it wherever you want, how tight you want to be. I'm gonna put it all the way to where I'm gonna put it to the lowest settings and for both, and then just adjust them from there, and then see what's the best thing to do. And yeah, so now I just need to put the spring on. Look the difference of the Eibach lowering spring to the OEM. That is a big difference. I'm honestly gonna actually change my thought. Instead of putting it around there, this is like the lowest, I'm probably gonna put it around half, because that's already a good 2-3 inch drop. So instead of the low setting, I'll kind of put it in the middle and just kind of eyeball it and adjust from there. Okay, so here it is. I got the strut installed. I'll go back under. And now I got the spring installed. And I'm gonna lower the car and see how it is. The sway bar's still not connected, and I still need to do the other side. So, yeah. Okay, so it's been about like maybe an hour or two. The first left side was hard because I don't know what I'm doing. Just kind of winging it. And then, you know, the second half, same thing like last time. It took me like half the time. But pretty much I did all the hard parts. I got the spring out. I still need to get the strut out from up here with those 12mm bolts. But other than that, I'm pretty good. But I'll take the struts off and all that later. I'm gonna go skate and grab my daughter from school. My girlfriend, she's mad at me because I'm working on my car forever, but she doesn't want to ever hang out with me while I'm working. See, she's all mad now. Oh well. Well, I'll be back in a few minutes after I get her, and we're gonna load the car and see what kind of adjustments I need to do. So yeah. Okay, so finally done. Got everything put back. It's about 3, almost 4 o'clock, and let me show you. Get underneath. Got my spring, lowering spring, Eibach springs. Got the Koni yellows on both sides. My CPE exhaust. If you guys haven't seen that or seen my previous videos of the exhaust, I love it. It's the best thing. Probably my best purchase, other than the front mount intercooler. But yeah. It's time to lower this baby and see how dumb low it really is, because I maxed them out as low as they can go. So let's see how low it can get. Okay, now just to get the jacks out of the way. I'm real excited, but I'm also real scared. Let's lower this baby. Oh god, that's low. It's not that bad. It's low, but it ain't too bad, honestly. Compared to the fronts. It's about what, 5 finger gap. This is about a 3 finger gap. Yeah, it's like about a 3 finger gap. Ain't that bad. Well, I'm only doing the fronts today. Maybe I'll get them done on Sunday. But yeah, it's way lower for sure. See the right side. Yeah, about a 3-finger gap. Ain't too bad. I feel like I need to go 55s next time though, instead of 245s. And I might have to pull my fenders too, or just camber it out a little bit. I'm not too sure yet. Probably just pull my rears. Can't wait to get the fronts done, because it's gonna look good.